Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Miss Bisma, and today I am going to start with my new presentation, and it is about water cycle. Here we go with the presentation. What is water cycle? Water cycle is, before we discuss the water cycle, let us take a look at the distribution of water on Earth. Approximately, as you people know, that 97% of the Earth's surface is water. It resides in the oceans. A fraction of the other 3% of water is fresh water, which is frozen up into glaciers and icebergs. The same water has been circulating around the earth for the past 4 billion years. Yes, you read that right. Possibilities are that the water that you drink today or take a shower with might have been. The point is that Earth's water has been moving on above and below its surface in an ongoing cycle called the water cycle. Now if you look this diagram, you will see the percentage of the water. The right point, which is showing here in the round diagram, is 2.5% fresh water, and the rest of the blue portion in the whole diagram is salt water, which is 97%. Lake and rivers contribute 0.3% of water, groundwater 32.8%, and the contribution of glaciers is 68.9%. Here you can see the whole cyclic process of water. What is water cycle? Here it is written that water cycle, also called hydrologic cycle, that involves the continuous circulation of water in the atmosphere. Why we are saying that it is the continuous circulation? So you can see this in this diagram. Whenever a sun rises and the condensation process takes place through the clouds, after the condensation process, precipitation occurs in the form of rain, and then this rainy water is collected in the oceans. Again, when the sun arises, due to the heat occur, the evaporation of water takes place and the process of water cycle continues. These are the some stages you can see which are taking place on the water cycle. Stage 1 is evaporation and transpiration. First we see what is evaporation. As discussed earlier, the sun's energy heats up the lakes. Why? Because sun has a very powerful energy. Because the sun is very hot, it heats up the lakes, rivers, oceans, and swamp and other water bodies, which subsequently increase the temperature of the water present in them. Consequently, some of the water evaporates as vapor into the air. The rising air currents take the vapor up in the sky. Simultaneously, the transpiration process is also taking place. by the plants. It is a process in which plants and trees lose water to the atmosphere in the form of vapor, which rises up in the sky. This is known as transpiration. So stage 1 is subsequently going on side by side, evaporation and transpiration. Now let's look up the stage 2, and it is condensation. As the vapor rise high, the cooler temperature make them cool down and turn back into liquid. This process is said to be condensation. Wind and air current move the moisture around, leading to the formation of clouds. This process is condensation. This is stage 3, precipitation. Wind movements cause the cloud particles to collide. As they become water laden, they develop into rain-bearing clouds and fall back onto the Earth's surface by the process known as precipitation. This may occur in the form of rain, hail, snow, or sleet, depending upon the temperature conditions. Like due to the wind movements, the cloud particles start to collide and the precipitation occur in the form of rain. Stage number 4 is runoff and infiltration. The precipitation either runs off into oceans, rivers and ground surfaces or is absorbed into the soil. This absorption into the soil is said to be the infiltration process. Post the last stage, water is again ready to be evaporated, resume the initial stage, which is 1. This is how the water cycle has been going on for billions of years, thus bringing fresh water to people, animals and plants, helping them survive all around the earth. Okay, now enjoy this video about the water cycle and you will see how the whole process of water cycle taking place, and it is a very nice video. Hope that you people like it. Here you are seeing that the sun rises, the vapor coming out, formation of condensation occur, the formation of clouds is going on. Due to the heat, the condensation process taking place, and now these clouds are changing into precipitates. Precipitation occurs, the raining going to start, which responsible for making these water again to be as runoff in the form of rain. Here the water is collected in the oceans. Again the condensation starts. Here the transpiration in plants taking place. I hope that you like this video, and please comment and like this video, and we will be right back after a few days with the next video. Thank you so much.